Do it with my natural hair. Oh. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. Welcome apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful color. This look was requested from It's A&K Forever, and I'm guessing she wanted to see it on my natural hair, but boo boo, I wanted to test it out on my wig. It's a color I wanted to try out for quite a while, and I really love it. It's this neon green with this yellow looking shade. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It was a thing last year. It was like the hot girl summer thing. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So guys, these are the two colors that I'll be using. Kiss Color Semi-Permanent Limelight T110, and then I'll be putting a little bit of Arctic Fox Iris Green in it. So you'll see pretty soon. The water is currently boiling. That's the bowl I'll be putting the color in, pretty much doing a watercolor. And this is the hair. It's a 613 hair. It's dark at the roots, as you can see, and light throughout. So this is the hair that I'll be coloring. So I'm just waiting on the water to finish boiling. You're feeling something, yeah, you cannot control. Just in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Right now I'll be adding the water. It's hot enough. So the first color I'll be adding is the Arctic Fox Iris Green, because this is the color I want less. So I want to see how light or dark it makes the water be. I don't think I need more than that in it. Now I'm just mixing it around. Time you came and I love it. I love it. And it's okay. I don't want more than that in it. I just wanted to give it a little tint, because I'm telling you guys, I love my blonde wig and I'm a little scared right now to color it, because if that color don't fit me, I'm gonna be big mad. But this video was requested, and I do have the color that I could do it with my natural hair. Oh, so I do have the color where I could do it with my natural hair, but I kind of want to experiment with it with a wig first before I go full in film a natural hair tutorial and then the color don't look good on me, because I would be big mad styling my hair and then adding a color that doesn't fit me. So I'll test it on a wig first. Mixing it around. Make sure you mix. Ooh. The color looks darker than I expected, but oh well, let's see. It's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. Mix, guys. So lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. So even though it looks so dark in the water, this is pretty much what the hair is gonna look like, which is what I'm going for anyway. So I'm gonna add the hair in right now. Feel so lucky, 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 feel so another thing, when coloring hair or watercoloring hair, the longer you leave it in the hot water for, it's like going to become darker. So if you want a lighter shade, you want to kind of supervise it and take it out whenever you see it becomes a color you like. If you want a darker shade, either you're going to mix a darker dye, or you're going to leave it in the water a little longer. So I'll be supervising it to get it the color I want it to be, and then I take it out. So far so good. I can see that it's going to get the color that I want. I kind of want this neon green, neon yellowish color. So yeah, let's see what happens. By the way, you guys, this color, like the tintation color, smells so freaking good, like yummy. Oh my god, it's such a nice scent. Now I'm checking to see if it's at a color that I like, but I gotta grab some gloves. Now I'm checking it. Ooh. Yeah guys, I'm loving the color. So guys, as you can see, that's the hair after I wash it and condition it. Well, I pretty much only condition it, so that's the result after. So I'm just going to leave it overnight to air dry, and then I'll show you the finished look when it's dry. So guys, that's the shade it has after it's dried. Pretty much the same like before, but on camera it's showing pretty like a light green, but it's the slime green color guys. In reality it has this nice yellowish green shade. Y'all know what I'm talking. So now I'm just gonna pop it on my head. Yes, and time to came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd love to see more videos like this, comment down below and let me know what kind of look you would love to see next. And until my next video guys, one love.